hey.
Hey, get in. We're going camping.
I didn't know you were here.
I didn't know you were working today. All right, we made it to the, well, we parked. Now we're hiking to the campsite. So, what's your game plan?
You know, find a spot with no people, no electricity, no buildings,
Uh-huh.
Probably pitch up a tent, maybe.
Well, you know, back in the day when there were people, they just kicked him out with force. Alexander the Great style. So, that's what the back of our backpacks looks like. And you can see she only brought the bare essentials. She didn't bring anything that wasn't needed, like a stuffed animal or anything.
Rarity loves to go camping. Thank you very much.
So anyways, yes, we're going to set up camp, and I'm going to show you some cool footage of our new tent.
Since we're going to be setting up camp, we do day trips, so that's why the backpack is on there. That's going to be our day trip backpack.
Yes. Hey, take this. I want to show my awesome tent.
Wait. My awesome tent? Yes.
Am I pointing at it?
No.
Am I pointing at it?
Yes.
Look at this tent from Kelty, guys. Yes, I made a good decision in picking it good enough.
You didn't use any time to look up tents.
Indeed.
I did it.
Hey guys, we have located our campsite. We have chosen this place to be our wondrous empire of camping.
You must start building.
If you build it, they will come. Is that the line? Alright, so we want to put our tent right here. Little problem, this campfire's in the way and there's all this broken glass. So, we're going to start with this rock, and where should we move it?
Over there.
By the table?
But where we normally have a fire.
Okay. Oh, that wasn't that bad.
Oh, yeah. It really isn't. Look at all the little critters. Well, you can't really see them. Now, whenever you go camping, you're supposed to clean this up. Just saying.
Yeah, there's like broken glass here, guys.
You're not supposed to leave your charred wood, beer bottles, beer caps, cigarettes. It looks like they threw things into the fire here, which is something you're not supposed to do.
Yeah.
Because now, like, if we want to set up the tent, well,
we're going to have to scout this area for broken glass so we don't cut
we're
ourselves.
going to have to do a lot of cleaning before we even set up.
Yeah. She's in her cocoon, and here is the royal tent of Macedon. So we still got to put our stuff inside the tent, put lights inside. She is gonna set up inside. I am gonna throw away this broken glass. This is all like trash. Some of it's dirt, yeah, but a lot of it's broken glass. The glass is everywhere, guys. Oh, it's so high up there. She's trying that Facebook Live thing. How's it working out for you? I think you said it works great, or maybe Alexander the Great. Alright, so it's really dark right now. So I can't really show you the tent. But anyways, we are doing some snacking. She's eating, what are you eating?
Peanut butter sandwich.
I had, I don't know what I had earlier, but now I'm gonna try this thing. It's a granola bar! Oatmeal raisin, ow!
Gosh, there's so many bugs in my face.
Yeah.
But we have bats to come
Yeah.
and clean it for us.
We got these headlamps, see this? Oh shit. And the bats are going after the moth. The moth are going for the headlamps.
And it's great because the bats, they're being drawn to the tent with the lights, so the bats are smacking our tent.
Yeah. I can't see a thing on my phone.
They're one of my favorite animals, so this is really exciting for me.
Oh, shoot.
What?
I'm getting smacked by these bugs.
Oh, yeah.
I wish the bats would be more active.
They were. They're very
They're probably full now. Oh, there's one.
There you are. Where'd you go?
Alright, I think. Guys, there's something in here. Guys, there's something in here, guys.
Ooh, spooky.
It's a beautiful morning. Oh, hey guys, this is our crib here. Couldn't show you last night, it was too dark. So yeah, this is the Kelty Ridge 3. And yeah, here's our little sleeping area right here. See that? Nice and comfortable. It's it automatically blows up. Not explodes, but it... Anyways, here are the lanterns that we have here. So we just pull it open and they turn on. So when you do that, all the bugs come to the tent at night. It's pretty awesome. And up here we have our little compartment for her My Little Pony toys. And oh yeah, we have to put our sunglasses up there too. I don't know if you can see up there or not. They get these cool little nooks here. So if she puts her phone up there, on the opposite side where the camera is, there's another one. It's alright. I'll just point at it. So there's another one up there too for me. So if that's her side, that's my side. And there's also another little pocket right here. This is where she puts her survival kits, first aid stuff, pocket knives, whatnot. And we put our big hiking bags, or our big camping bags, on this side. It's covered. And on this side, we put our water and whatnot. So we're gonna show you the stargazing feature of this tent. Oh. She's gonna open it up for us. So this is really cool. Now honestly, it got a little cold last night.
Oh, that was a spider that crawled on my hand.
Was it big?
Yeah.
Is it Daddy Longlegs?
No.
Poisonous one?
No idea.
Yeah, it probably.
It's okay, it didn't bite me.
And we got these little wood insects too when you pop it open. But yeah, it got really cold last night, so so she ended up covering it up. I was a little cold last night. So you see how it comes up? It is so cool.
A visitor. He woke up. I woke up this morning and he was.
Yeah, he was
there.
He was above our pillow, so we looked up and boom.
Hello, good morning.
So you guys see that? That is so awesome. Now, so when you're sleeping, you kind of just look up, and now there's a lot of trees, but you can still see a lot of the stars, even though the trees are there. And so how did you like the stargazing?
I loved it.
You loved it?
Yeah. Let me see.
Hey. Last night I put my knife back over here when I was doing hacking the trees down. Did you move it?
Did you put it in the tent?
No, I put it right here on the table next to the shovel.
Well, I didn't touch it. You lost my knife.
We should be okay. You doing your walk?
Hey. Just trying to figure out how to fix the camera settings. There's like no setting button on here.
Look at this, guys. We're going here. So we're going to this waterfall.
Spoonauger Falls.
Spoonauger Fall. So anyways, there's a report of a lot of bees, and it says they're very active and dangerous.
Yeah, the yellow jacket.
Were they yellow jackets?
Yeah, that's what it said.
But we saw a group of campers going ahead of us, so we're gonna let them absorb the first attack of it.
Yeah.
Be careful! Be careful! Is he hiding back there? She's looking for fish. She's tired of eating granola bars. Here is the Spoon Auger Falls. I'm prepared for all these bees. I'm gonna punch them in the face.
Use your GoPro stick, like.
I'm gonna do it. See this? It's like GoldenEye. We are very close to this waterfall. I can hear it right now. Now I'm a little worried about these bees though.
Yeah.
They said they're really dangerous and active, so if someone left a note, there's probably a reason for it.
I got first aid and the extractor kit.
And I brought some protein bars.
And beef jerky.
And beef jerky. Beautiful. Don't see any bees yet. Guess what, guys? This is not the waterfall yet. It's part of it though, but that's not the big part. I don't see those campers right now. They either got stung by the bees or the bears got them. This way, right?
Yep.
We came down from over there. We're looking for the main waterfall, the Big Doozy. We're going up this really steep area here. It probably didn't look like it from here, but it's pretty steep.
Oh man.
You all right there, Meyer?
Oh yeah.
Waterfall. How is it?
Wet.
Is it breezy? Did not see any bees. Might be in another area.
It's around here. They said it's around this fall.
Yeah, so check out this waterfall. We passed some hornets trying to get over here.
Hey,
and,
what's that?
What?
Over there?
That's a knife. How do you get over there? I'm not sure if I can make it out there. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Whoa! Ah! 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 How did it get over there? How did this knife get over there?
I thought you said you left it on the table a few miles
did.
back.
I left it back at camp. Don't feel fine.
Did you sleep? Oh my gosh.
We're going down to this river here.
There's a wild person out there.
There's a wild human doing what they call fly fishing, quote unquote. Let's get a little bit closer. Maybe we could sneak up on it.
We could take a look. Maybe hopefully it won't scare him away.
Let's see what happens. Make a lot of noise. You can't see me. I'm the Cena man. Some crabs?
No.
What'd you say?
Tracks.
So we found some raccoon tracks.
Yes, I believe that's what it looks like. And possibly a dog over there.
You know, if they leave tracks, we can find them. If we find them, we can slay them. So we follow the tracks down to this area. It's still warm.
Yeah, I know, cozy.
What's Toys R Us? Some treacherous pathways we have come across in this land of the Carolinas. Indeed. All right, I'm putting the knife right here, okay? So. Hey, you're burning the wrong end.
Okay. And then I'm just gonna.
Grasshopper. Look at that guy. Probably dangerous.
Little face.
And I want to punch it in the face.
Cute.
And they look really dangerous.
Fuzzy though, I love it.
It's not cute when they're on your face. I like watching other campers pass by. There's a lot of them. We should have brought a dolly too. A dolly llama. Oh yeah, day 3, camping. Hang 'em high, hang 'em high. Hey, did you sleep well last night?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah, I guess. Okay.
Well, we're kind of on a slant here, so I was sliding down.
Oh, and there's a hole in my AirPad.
There's a hole in her AirPad.
I had to. I don't know how I kept you asleep, but there were times where I actually stood on your AirPad to inflate mine, and I didn't wake you
You
up.
did?
I did about 3 or 4 times.
I had nightmares of someone stepping on me.
And I got up to pee.
Nice.
Other than that, it was pretty good.
West Side. So you're reading a book, right?
I am.
You bought this book for the camping?
I did.
What book is it?
Pet Cemetery.
Pet Cemetery.
Yeah, I've actually never seen the movie, so this is my first experience with the story.
You like Stephen King?
Yep. Last year I brought Dr. Sleep, which was the sequel to The Shining, and The Shining is one of my favorite books ever.
Yeah.
And that was fun to read here last year.
You know what my favorite Stephen King movie is?
What?
Take a guess.
Christine.
Christine. That's about this old Plymouth that comes to life and just kills people.
I actually got you that book for Valentine's Day.
She did give me that book. I haven't read it yet though.
Happy Valentine's Day, here's Christine.
Happy Valentine's Day. Now in the book, it's actually a different car, but they look really similar. One's a Fury, the other's like a... Oh shoot, I forgot what the other one was. But yeah, they're pretty much the same car. Oh, here it is, the Chat River. Remember this?
Instant chat. Oh, yeah, there's the tail, the other one.
Oh, that's a good conversation we just had. So we're looking for this river, but a particular place in the river where we can get by the giant rock and hang out on it. Hopefully there's no fly fishers out there, for there's a lot of fly fishermen here today. Kept seeing them walking by the our camping area. There's a rock by the tree, Bun.
Remember that rock with the tree?
Yeah, in the water.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I might go swimming.
I might go nose diving into this. Looks pretty deep.
Race you to the island.
Let's go. And it's where we were last year.
That's where you broke your shoe last year.
I did. But I got these awesome shoes from Redhead. Not sponsored by Redhead, guys. Alright guys, this trail's a little broken here.
Yeah, so just be careful.
Don't know if these things are going to break or not. Hurricane damage from Florence knocked so many trees over. It's the bog of eternal stench. Can anybody guess the movie reference from that? Without looking it up. Hey, what's that waterfall doing? It's falling? Yeah. We got this waterfall all to ourselves. She's got her book. Stephen King, right? Yeah. And here's our beachhead right there. And some cool peeps with a camera. You take like a professional shot of us.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh no, what was that?
It looks like a heart.
Whoa! Such a beautiful sight. Look at this plant. Never seen anything like this one. Does anybody know what kind of plant this is, guys? Or run.
Beat you.
Gabang! What?
Come on.
It's gonna be a confrontation, guys. Poisonous spider versus poisonous caterpillar.
Let's go.
Fight! Fight! Winner gets squashed by me. It's raining.
So, right before we went to bed, I was like, oh, I think this is going to be the first time that we're going to pack up without muddy equipment because it's not going to rain.
Yeah. And
we had the stargazing view open.
yeah, that came down really fast though.
Oh yeah.
Thanks,
Real
Kelty.
quick.
Yeah.
I just reached out, unclipped, pulled down.
Let's see what this camp looks like tomorrow when we wake up. Campsite has been cleared. Hey guys, we're leaving camp, and yes, don't ever forget your trash, and don't leave broken bottles for the next group to come. Rude.
Oh, the water pouring out.
Don't go chasing waterfalls, guys. This hiking trip was not endorsed by Redhead. Uh-oh! Woo!
Oh, wait. Redhead. Not endorsed by Redhead.
That's right.
Not at all.
I got these on discount. Alright.